In this video, we will be discussing what coding languages should you learn in the year 2023 to 24. Many of the freshers who just passed out the engineering could be worried about what programming language is to study about or which career is best in which technology or programming language. Here in this video, I will be discussing some of the benefits of the most common or most famous programming languages so that you can decide on which programming language you can go for. So picking the right programming language when you are just starting is not easy. However, you need to understand what sets each coding language apart, and most importantly, you must see what will help your career flourish. Therefore, the first coding language you learn is your first exposure to the world of IT and programming. It has the power to help you fall in or out of love with the entire space. The most common coding languages are like HTML, CSS, SQL, JavaScript, Python, Java, and the Clojure was the highest paying programming language with an average annual salary of 23 lakhs, followed by JavaScript with a 4.2 lakhs. Moving on, in this video, I will be discussing the major languages with their benefits, okay, so that you can decide. So let us start with the Python. Python is one of the most chosen programming language and common programming languages to learn first for its wide use and simplicity. Moreover, it's a great stepping stone to learn more complex programming languages and frameworks. So here are the benefits of learning Python. Across industries, developers rely on Python for automation, big data, and data mining. It's ideal for general purpose applications. It is used to develop prototypes. Python is simple and easy to read and work with, and most importantly, very versatile. Python is ideally suited for large development projects, first-time developers, and multi-programmers. The average yearly income of Python developer in India ranges from 4.2 lakh and it all goes to 9.3 lakh. So next programming language is C#. C# is often regarded as one of the most versatile programming languages, ideal to build robust applications across the ecosystem. Moreover, it is object-oriented and learning curve is not steep, making it perfect for beginners. C# is a very versatile and allows engineers to build applications that run in the .NET ecosystem. Engineers who are well versed in C and C++ can easily master C# and they do not need any special training too. C# is a natural fit for building dynamic websites and applications, as it is an object-oriented website built using C# are easily scalable and very efficient. According to the pay scale, C# developers can make a wage of 4 lakh. Average salary per annum is a 4 lakh. Okay, it starts from 4 lakh and it ranges from wherever how much experience you have in the C# development, application development using C#. So next we will learn the major programming language, that is Java. This is the main reason for Java's growing popularity, because Java is heavily used programming languages because of its robustness, ease of use, cross-platform capabilities, and security features. So these 4 features makes it very famous. Therefore, here are some of the biggest benefits of learning Java. It is an object-oriented and allows user to create modular programs with its reusable code. Moving from one computer to another is easy because Java is not a platform dependent. It is not only independent at source but also at binary levels. Java is the easiest programming language to write, compile, debug, and learn. According to pay scale, the average salary of Java developer is 5 lakh. Benefits of learning JavaScript. The biggest concern most developers have is the number of languages they need to learn. One for front end, one for back end, one for the mobile apps, and a whole other one for game development. Needless to say, it's extremely difficult and time consuming. So what is the best solution to this is, what coding language should I learn to solve all these problems? The answer is JavaScript. So what are the benefits of learning JavaScript? Gone are the days when JavaScript was the only use for basic website development. It's now integral part of websites and applications, nearly 95% of them. It is the default language of the internet. Therefore, you can run and test your code in the browser. There is no need to create a special development environment or any kind of setup in the text editor. versatile, and it is used in big data, cloud development, front end, back end, blockchain, machine learning, AI, automation, and a whole lot more. In India, JavaScript developers are having an average salary of 4,20,000 according to the Ambition Box. Ruby, though not as popular as it once was, Ruby is still one of the most popular and widely used programming languages. It's especially popular among beginners. On the other hand, large enterprises like GitHub and Airbnb are also continuously using Ruby on Rails across a range of projects. So here are the benefits. Ruby on Rails is the most popular version. However, Ruby is not only Rails, it is continuously evolving. There is a lightweight solution now called Sinatra. To keep up with the times, frameworks offering different approaches like Hanami and even frameworks for event sourcing are growing in popularity. Ruby's objective is to be reliable, consistent, and mature, and beginners and professionals alike use this language because it's well established a set of practices. The average salary according to PayScale is 6,10,000. So these are some of the major programming languages that are highly in demand nowadays, and you can learn any one of this according to your taste and talent. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.